Ever pondered why some chickens lay brown eggs while others lay white ones? What if the answer is simpler than you think? Imagine two chickens. One, a majestic Rhode Island red, her feathers glinting a deep, glossy brown under the sun. The other, a dainty white leghorn, her feathers as pristine as freshly fallen snow. Both are chickens, yet each lays a distinctly colored egg, one brown, the other white. The color of the egg, believe it or not, is determined by the breed of the chicken. It's as simple as that. The Rhode Island red, renowned for her brown feathers, produces brown eggs. The white leghorn, on the other hand, with her pure white plumage, lays white eggs. Think of it like this. It's just like hair color in humans. Some people are born with blonde hair, others with black. It's all down to our genes, the tiny bits of DNA that make us who we are. The same applies to chickens. But here's where it gets interesting. The color of the egg has no bearing on its nutritional content. It's a common misconception that brown eggs are healthier or more natural than white ones. This isn't the case. The nutritional value of an egg depends on the hen's diet, not the color of its shell. So whether you prefer your eggs sunny side up or hard-boiled, brown or white, remember this. It's not about the color of the egg, but the chicken that laid it. And what about the taste? Surely there must be a difference. Not quite. Like the nutritional content, the taste of an egg is influenced by the hen's diet. So a hen fed on a diet of grains and corn will produce eggs that taste different from a hen fed on a diet of worms and insects, regardless of the color of the egg. In summary, the difference between brown egg layers and white egg layers comes down to the breed of the chicken. Brown egg layers, like the Rhode Island red, have brown or red feathers, while white egg layers, like the white leghorn, have white feathers. The color of the egg has no bearing on its nutritional content or taste, which is determined by the hen's diet. So the next time you're at the grocery store, remember, it's not about the color of the egg, but the chicken that laid it.